Good evening, kids. I hope you all are safe at home. So stay home, stay safe. In this COVID 19, you should follow these two things: wash your hands properly and social distancing. Now, welcome to the Abacus classes. As Abacus, making your child count. You can do your calculations fastly and accurate. Now, first of all, in this video we will do a quick revision. Last time we have studied about units and tens rod lower beats. Now our today's topic: sums in units and tens rods lower and upper beats. Now units rod and its value. We have studied it previously also, but again the upper beat value is 5 and the lower beat value is 1. Now tens rod and its value. Students, you already know that the upper beat value is 50 and the lower beat value is 10. Now for minus operation I have told you put the beats down, and for plus operation you have to put the beats up. But it is different for the upper beats. For upper beats plus you have to put the beats down, and for minus you have to put the beats up. Listen students, as the beat touches the beam, it attains a value. Now we will learn it more from some practical explanation. Students, as you can see in front of you, an abacus tool is there. These are your upper beats and these are your lower beats. Now students, in this video I have told you about the units rod and the tens rod and the counting of the beats. Now there is a difference between the counting of the lower beat and the upper beat. First of all, you should know it very clearly that whenever a bead touches the beam, it attains a value. Again I am repeating, whenever a bead touches the beam, it attains a value. See, if lower bead will touch the beam, it will attain a value, means it is 1. Now if upper bead will touch the beam, it will attain a value which is 5. See, for addition, for add, this is 1. And if you have to add the upper bead, then you have to put it down. See, it is touching the beam. This bead is touching the beam, so it attains a value, and this is 5. Now if you have to minus 5, this. Again I want to tell you, this is plus 5. You have add this bead, and this is minus 5. Plus 5, minus 5. I will repeat the value of the beads for you. This is units rod. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 1. For minus you have to put down, for add you have to put up. This is 10, 20, 30, 40. And for minus you have to put the beads down. Now today we will take the upper beads also. As you know that in units rod the upper bead value is 5. Units rod upper bead value is 5. This bead, its value is 5. So if I will put this bead down, this means I have added 5. And if I will put this bead up, this means I have subtracted 5 or minus 5. Students, I will tell you how you have to make 6, 7 and 8. Especially students get the problem in making 6, 7, 8 and 9. See, 1, if I will say add 1, you can easily add 1. If I will say add 2, then you can easily add 2. If I will say add 3, then you can easily add 3. And if I will say add 4, then you can easily add 4. But the problem comes when I say add 5. So for adding 5, you have to put the upper beat down. This is add 5. Now if I say add 6, so how you will add 6? See, 5 and 1, 6. See students, this is 6. 5, 6. If I will say that add 6, then you have to do like this. Now set your abacus. Now if you have to add 7, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. From here onwards, you have to take the help of 5. For these, you can do the leads directly, and from 6 onwards, you have to take the help of 5. 5, 6, 7. Now set your abacus. Now if you have to add 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now if you have to add 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now students listen, if you have to minus 6 in this 9 we have added. Now if you have to minus 6, for minus 6 I have told you that you have to use the beat 5. After 6 you have to use the beat 5. So minus 6, see what you have to do. For minus 6, put the 5 beat up, 5 and 6. See, 5 and 6, one from down. Now I will set my abacus again. Now a small sum I am taking for you, 8, this. Now you have to add 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Now minus 7. How you will minus? 5, 6, 7. What is the answer? 1. Now we will get it more by doing some sums. See students, in front of you some sums are there. Can you see it clearly? Very good. Now we will start. As you can see, I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sums in front of you, and we will do it together. Now see, I have set my abacus. Now our first is 41. You can do it in 2 methods. You can put your 41 in your abacus tool with 2 methods. What it is? First of all, the 40 and 1. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 1. Like this. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 1. 41. This is the first method. The second method is the first number in the units rod. And second number is 4. Second number 4 is in tens rod. First number in first rod, second number in second rod. This also you can do, students. Now it is minus 1. Minus 1. Then 8. Now how will you form 8? See, for 8 you have to use the beat 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again I am repeating. 5, 6, 7, 8. For 8 you have to use the beat 5. Now minus 8. Minus 8 means 5 back to its place. 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. All I have just put it back. So what is your answer? 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 is left out. Or you can count it in the second method also. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 4, and in units rod there is nothing. Nothing means 0. Now your second sum. Set your abacus. Now here the first number in first rod, which is 5. Second number in second rod, 1. Now add 2. 1, 2. Now minus 6. Now for 6 you have to use 5. Minus means back. So 5 back to its position, 5 and 1, 6. Now 2. 1, 2. Now what is your answer? See, here is 1 and here is 1, 2, 3. So answer is 13. First number, first place. Second number, second place. Now the next sum. 24. Set your abacus. 4 in first place, so first rod. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2. 2 in second rod. 1, 2. Now you have to add 5. Now 5, where is 5? Dot, units rod, upper bead value is 5. Down. I have told you in this video previously that for adding you have to put the bead down, upper bead. 5 down, you have added 5. Now minus 9. For 9, again you have to use the bead 5. So minus 9 means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See students, I have used the 5 also and the lower beads also. Now 6. 5, 6. Now what is your answer? 5, 6. 6 in units rod and 1, 2 in tens rod. So answer is 26. Now next, set your abacus. First number is 6. 5, 6. Second number is 1, 1. Now next you have to minus 6. Minus 6 means 5 back to its position, 5 and 6. Now add 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have used the upper beads and the lower beads both. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As the bead touches the beam, it attains a value. Now minus 8. Minus, for 8 you have to use a 5 again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what is your answer? 1 in units rod, 1 in tens rod. The answer is 11. Students, when you will do these sums from the abacus tool again and again, you can do it more fastly and your calculations will become fast. This is the power of the abacus tool. By using these beads and the abacus tool, you can do your calculations fastly and accurate also. Now students, our next question. 8 in first rod, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 4 in second rod. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 7. Minus 7. Minus 7 means 5, 6, 7. Now 2 you have to add. 1, 2. And minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus. So what is the answer? See, in units rod nothing is there, means 0. And in tens rod 4 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 40. Students, those who want to do the quick calculations in maths and those who want to be very good in maths calculations, this is the best thing you should learn for it. Students, this is our last sum. The first number is 11. So first number in first rod, second number in second rod. Now you have to add 2 again. 1, 2. Now minus 1. Minus for down, 1. And 5 you have to add. For adding 5, you have to put the upper bead down. Now what is your answer? In units rod it is 5, 6, 7. And here is 1 in tens rod, so answer is 17. Students, I hope that you are practicing my given sums at home. Please practice the sums at home. Thank you.